Okay, that there is a Craftsman lock. Thank you very much. 123 Dwight 567. This is a Craftsman lock, which I believe is a Sears brand name, but it happens to be made in Italy. Very, very challenging little 5-pinner. No securities. It does have an added security feature where the body of the lock will only turn this far. It doesn't get a complete 360-degree rotation. It just goes that far, just far enough to get it on the hasp and lock it, and that's it. So thanks very much, Dwight 567, for the locks. He also sent me this vest. There it is, picked. Yeah, picked. So I'll work on getting the control line on that and see if I can't get that on camera for y'all. But until then, peace. Don't break the law. Get your picking tools at uklockpickers.co.uk. Have fun, and once again, thank you, Dwight 123 Dwight 567, for the best, which is picked, and the Craftsman made in Italy 5-pinner, which is also picked. So until next time, don't forget to rate it.